Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2016 Kia Ceed Sportswagon. Now of course this is a 1.6 diesel, and as you can see at the front you do get your LED daytime running lights, you then get your chrome accents on the front bumper around the fog lights, and then you do get these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you get on these alloys. But coming around to the rear, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've then also got your reversing camera just up at the top there. Moving into the tailgate now. As you can see, you've got plenty of room in here. You've got your pull-out privacy shelf, which clamps into place just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. That retracts back, and then you've got your 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that folds flat with the boot floor. Walking out and around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. As you can see, we have got your black cloth interior with your beige accent. You've got Isofix mounting points down at the bottom and full electric automatic windows all around. But coming into the front of the car, we've got the 6-speed manual gearbox, we've got your auxiliary port and USB port down there. We've got dual climate control in the middle, and then we've also got your touchscreen display, which comes with satellite navigation, comes with your various radio sources, Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth audio. That is all built within the display in the middle. We've got your volume controls and track select and your other audio settings. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free. We've then got your onboard computer controls on the right hand side, and then we've also got your cruise control just here. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, but as you can see, this car has done 54,586 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Ceed Sportswagon, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.